Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about method overriding in Python. So what is method overriding means? When a method in subclass has the same name as method in base class. So that means both the subclass and base class, these two classes have a method with same name. Then the method in the subclass is said to override the method in superclass. So what that means? If the superclass and subclass, these two classes have a method name called, here the method name is, for example, method. So both the classes have the method name method. Now I inherit the class A into class B. So that means what happened means this class A method is override by the subclass method. Okay, now we can see this example. So this is the method in class A. So what is the code in that? Print method A. Same like that, there is a method in class B with the name method. Okay, so what is the output? Method B. That means it prints method B. That means the class A method prints method A. The class B method prints method B. I inherit the class A into class B. Okay, so that means I inherit a class into B class. Now I call B1 dot method. So what is the output? Method A or method B. So what is the output means? The output is method B. Why? The base class method is override by the subclass method. Okay, that concept we are called as a method overriding. So simply saying, what is a method overriding means? The base class method is override by the subclass method if both the method names are same.
Now we see the execution of method overriding. So overriding means if the base class and subclass, so both they have same method name. In this case both the method names are method only. If I call b1 dot method, which method is invoked? So already discuss the derived class method is invoked. The output is method B. Okay.